So I'm super excited to share with you that I got the proof of the new book, and I want to do a little open box and share what it looks like. So here we go. Parisian Pastry Adventure. How cool is this? And it's beautiful. I really love the way that it came out. The colors are really strong and beautiful and vibrant, and it feels good to the touch. It's got like a matte finish. It looks really good. So I'm just going to do a little page flip. If I can get it open here. So here is the first page of it. And then it's actually going to be about 130 pages. There's a bonus pack that provides a lot of access to really cool resources and things that will enhance your experience with the book. And here's the introduction, some tips to get you started. Photography, because who doesn't take a trip and not take pictures? Let's see here. Here's more photography tips, sketching tips. Who doesn't want to go to Paris and not sketch? So here's some sketching tips. Then here's a list of must-visit pastries when you're in Paris. There's several of those. There's also pages in here for you to jot down the favorite places that you discover, outside of the ones I suggested. You can put in the items that you tried, your thoughts and notes. So this is like a travel planner journal, if you will. So let's keep going through it here. There's a list of pastry classes that you might want to take while you're there, so you can learn how to make some of the delicacies that you are enjoying. There's where you can record the classes that you discover and your experiences. There's pages here for recipes, several pages for that. Also preparation notes. So when you find a recipe that you like, you can jot down what was your biggest takeaway in preparing the dish, what secret hacks or tricks did you learn. So there's several pages of that. Then there are coloring pages inside. So I provide several coloring pages. Beautiful. It's about 10 coloring pages in all. And then there's already some shading in there, so hopefully shading. I like the shading personally because I think it enhances to the feeling of Paris and the vintage sort of feel. Then there's word search puzzles inside. There's 3 of those in there. So it's called Find Your Favorite Pastry. Then there's a sample itinerary for a day in Paris, a culinary day in Paris, which you can do for morning, afternoon lunch, and for the evening dinner. Then there's pages in here for you to put in your own itinerary. So you can write out what you discovered, what you want to do. There's places when you want to just write down, you know, how we sit in a coffee shop sometimes and we get like little inspirations and thoughts and things. So I left plenty of pages to jot down your musings. Then there's a keepsake page. There's several of those where you can put in like receipts, you can put in tickets, you can put in just little, you can sketch, you can take little photography pictures and put those in, you put stickers on these pages, anything that you want to sort of enhance that experience. So there's several of those pages. And then, sorry, I have to get the camera close. And then there's several clip art pages. So these pages you can literally take out of the book and cut out and then use them, you know, with a little glue stick. You can use them inside of your book. So the book is getting a little hard to flip with one hand and holding the camera with the other. Sorry about that. Okay, so there's several clip art pages. And let's see here. I think that's it. So yeah, that's it. So anyway, yeah, just wanted to show you, this is the back cover. So I just wanted to make a little video and show it to you. And sorry about the shaky video. I don't have a stand right now to hook it up to. But anyway, I wanted to share it with you. So here is the new book, Parisian Pastry Adventure. And it is ready to order, pre-order. So thanks so much for watching. And yeah, I would love to get your comments and feedback about it. Thanks so much.